Maintenance and renovation services you can trust. Looking for reliable professionals to maintain or upgrade your property? We provide complete renovation and maintenance solutions for homes, offices, and commercial properties. Full renovation projects, general maintenance services, tile installation, AC service and repair, carpentry solutions, custom-made doors, kitchens, cabinets, wardrobes, and vanity units, plumbing and electrical repairs, roof waterproofing, interior and exterior painting, window and shower glass installation, skilled and experienced team, timely execution with high-quality results, competitive and transparent pricing. Contact us today for a consultation or a free quote.